Hello everyone, in this video we'll cover two main topics. We'll cover the blog configuration section and the ads configuration. Let's start with the first one, the blog configuration section. Well, this section lets you manage your directory's blog settings. You can enable or disable the blog on your website at any time. If enabled, you can also show a featured blog post section on your blog page and set a custom heading for it, such as featured articles. Once you've adjusted your preferences, click Save Changes to apply them. We have the categories section that lets you manage blog categories for your directory. To create a new category, simply click Add Category and enter the category name. This helps organize your blog posts and makes it easier for visitors to find content. The blog post section lets you manage all blog posts for your directory. You can add the new post by clicking Add New, or use the filter to find posts by title, category, author, or date. And each post shows its title, status, featured setting, author, and publication date. Also from the menu you can edit, delete, or manage each post individually. Click on Add New to create a new post. You will see a form where you can add or fill in all the details. If you want, you can add a featured image. You can either upload an image from your computer or use an image URL. This image will appear at the top of your blog post. Next, enter your title and description. Make sure your title is clear and your description gives a good summary of your post. We have the author name. It's automatically set to your account's name. In this case, it's my name, Zakaria, but you can change it if needed. You can also select categories to organize your posts and help readers find them easily. Then in the content section, you can write your posts. Using either Markdown or WYSIWYG editor. You can format your text, add the images, links, and more. See also SEO Manager, which shows how well your post is optimized for search engines. Try to improve it to get better visibility. Finally, choose if you want your post to be published, making it visible to everyone, and if you want it to be featured on your blog. And once everything is ready, click Create to publish your new blog posts. And that's it. Your blog post is now live and ready for your audience. Moving to the ads configuration. In this part of the tutorial, we will explore the ads configuration section. This section allows you to manage everything or every advertising option available on your directory. You can activate advertisement and set a section headline such as our partners, along with a short tagline like interested in advertising here. The display settings area gives you full control over where ads appear. You can show horizontal or vertical ads on the home page or on the listing pages, depending on your needs. When you create an advertisement plan, you will fill in the details for the package you want to offer. For example, you can name the plan Standard Ad, set the display label to Standard, write a short description such as standard advertising package, set the price to $99 for example, or choose a monthly price, and define the bottom label as a purchase. You can also mark the plan as featured and list the benefits included, such as being featured for 30 days or receiving a top listing position. Once everything is ready, simply click Add Plan to save the package. Next, we have the ad spot section, which lets you manage individual advertisement placements. To create your first ad, click Add New Ad Spots and enter the required information. Start by adding a title and the description for the ad. Then provide the link URL where users will be redirected when they click. Upload the ad image. Set the ad to active and choose the display order. Lower numbers appear first. Select the ad type, either horizontal or vertical, then choose the display location, which can be the home page, the listing pages, or maybe both. When everything is ready, just click Create Ad Spot to add the advertisement to your directory, and you'll be up and running. I think that's it. I hope you've learned something valuable today. and see you in the next video. Thank you.